So we just laid out the recessed foot control template and we traced around it. That little black piece is going to be the trim for the carpet, so we left a little bit of space for that, and you'll see just a tad bit of carpet. So we lined it up with the center of here and then the center of the hole. And now what we're going to use is like a Dremel saw, and we're going to cut around the perimeter right on the edge of the tape, and that'll cut the fiberglass away, and then we will tackle the foam separately. I just think it'd be a cleaner, easier thing to do than use a jigsaw. We'll also be drilling holes in all the corners to help out. So yeah, stick around. Alright guys, so we got the trolling motor foot control tray installed, and I think it turned out really nice. As you guys saw in the video, we had to use the jigsaw because the fiberglass was a lot thicker than we thought. Here's the piece that we cut out. It's about 1 to 1.5 inches of plywood and fiberglass plus the foam. But I believe that the Dremel saw made it a lot easier, you know, cut straight lines and then follow up with the jigsaw. So if you have both of those tools, you know, I think they'll work great in tandem together. We're not going to bolt it down or anything because we haven't got carpet yet. And that's about it for this week, guys. I know that's not a very long video or a lot going on. Part of it is that we're waiting for parts, and another part of it is Mealey Marine is growing, and we are starting to work on more customers' boats, which they're paying, so we have to kind of put this off to the side while we're working on them. So I'm going to show you a boat that we're working on right now that's going to be a series. So wait 1 second. So this is a boat that we've been working on this week as well. This is a 2001 VIP, and I know maybe some of you on the channel aren't going to be very interested in this, but this series is going to be about what it takes to just like quickly flip your boat. A customer brought this to us, wants us to get it cleaned up, ready to sell. So that's what this series is going to be about, and just be on the lookout for those videos. Probably in the next week or two we'll start releasing them out. I've got a couple of them filmed. So yeah guys, that's it for this week. If you like the video, please make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below, and also be sure to check us out at MealeyMarine.com. We sell every type of marine accessory you could need: fish finders, live target, bilge pumps, trailer parts, all that you can find on our website. It's MealeyMarine.com. There'll be a link down below. And you also get free 2-day shipping on orders over $300, and you get free shipping on orders over $50. So be sure to check all that information down below, and I appreciate you guys for watching. Until next time, guys.